This is a 3-minute build converting an OEM steering wheel to a quick release on a Gen 1 Integra. We're going to need a 190H steering wheel hub adapter. You can go cheap like I did with a little eBay Chinese knockoff. Notice that this brass contact plate is out of round. I had to remove it and re-secure it with tape. This is the OEM contact we're going to be cutting out, and an inside look at all the webbing we'll be removing, and a close-up. So you're going to take a die grinder and cut those webs just on one side down to the stainless bar. And then we're going to get a plier and twist those puppies out. Then you're going to print that 3D template, transfer it over onto 1/8 inch mild steel plate and scribe all the holes. And then cut it out. This is a later revision template and another look. You're going to print that blue post and bolt it up with a 1/2 inch bolt. And then once it's all bolted, place it on a flat surface so it's off the surface, and then measure the outer diameter to make sure everything's level before you weld it. Then cut that off. This is from a failed template that I had. The whole circumference was different. I had to re-weld and re-drill. Don't do that. And then test fit it. These are 200 thousandths diameter by 300 thousandths long, just copper wire. These will be your contacts. So just hammer them in place and swedge them over, and they should look pretty close to what was there factory wise. And another look, and another. This is the bottom cover. Cut that contact plate out. This collar here, you might want to reduce the height of that. Cut that tower out right on that line. Those are the 3 spots we're concerned with. That's the finished product. Make sure that top cover depresses fully and mates up flush with the bottom cover. And then that's your finished product. Again, that collar, you might want to reduce the height of it to allow your fingers in there on that quick release. And then we're going to test that horn. Remember that this is on a RS Acura, doesn't have cruise control. Enjoy that factory wheel.